RRB NTPC General Studies Model Paper number 6. First question. Kumara Sambhavam and Malavikagnimitram are literary creations of. Answer. Kalidas. Dilwara temples of Mount Abu, Rajasthan are devoted to which religion? Answer. Jainism. National Commission of Scheduled Tribes is mentioned under which article? Answer. 338A. Who invaded India during Muhammad Shah Rangila's reign? Answer. Nadir Shah. Who was the railway minister in interim cabinet 1946? Answer. Asif Ali. Mahatma Gandhi supported which presidential candidate in 1939 against Subhash Chandra Bose for Indian National Congress presidential elections? Answer. P. Sitaramaiah. Which famous leader earned the title of Lion of Parliament? Answer. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. What is the color of sun's emitting light? Answer. White color. The tendency to resist changes in the state of motion by any object is called. Answer. Inertia. In electroplating of gold, which electrolyte is used? Answer. Gold sulfate. Which law of physics states that force between the two electric charges reduced to a quarter of its former value when the distance between them is doubled? Answer. Coulomb's law. The partition of British India into India and Pakistan was announced on. Answer. 3rd June 1947. Which UT of India touches the border of Afghanistan? Answer. Ladakh. Anantlal Singh was associated with. Answer. Chittagong Armor Raid. Satpura Hill Station is located in which state? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India works under which body? Answer. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Patwa art is found in which state? Answer. West Bengal. Mullaperiyar Dam is situated on which river? Answer. Periyar. Which article envisages the provisions related to the administration of union territories? Answer. Article 239. Surgical removal of the uterus of women is called. Answer. Hysterectomy. The confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi is known by. Answer. Devprayag. The first Charter Act in India was introduced during the time of. Answer. Sir John Shore. Which port is Pakistan's largest and busiest seaport? Answer. Karachi. A woman who rents her womb to produce a child for other is known as. Answer. Surrogate mother. What is a pass at the southern end of the Nilagiri called? Answer. Palakkad Gap. Who is the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty? Answer. Dhanananda. In biological terms, dash is a relationship between two organisms in which one organism benefits and the other is unaffected. Answer. Commensalism. Who is the father of cinema in India? Answer. D.Z. Palke. Oil of Merben is the most common name of which is answer nitrobenzene.